Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 4th subject looking around environmental studies. In that chapter number 20, food and a fun. In the previous video we have completed up to main 5. Today we'll see main 6. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. See the question number 1. Who are Sergey's friend? Answer is Divya and Swastik are Sergey's friend. Question number 2. Where do the children sit to eat in the boarding school? Answer is children sit to eat in a large dining hall in the boarding school. See the question number 3. The cooking and eating together in a Gurudwara is called langar. Have you ever eaten in a langar? Where and when? Answer is yes, I have eaten in a langar once. I had gone to the Gurudwara on Guru Nanak Jayanti with my friend Navjot. We had eaten in the langar there. See the question number 4. What happens when a student studying in a boarding school receives food from home? Answer is when a student studying in a boarding school receives food from home, all his friends collect in his or her room and finish off the homemade food within minutes. See the question number 5. What service did Sarjit's mother offer at the Gurudwara? Answer is Sarjit's mother was rolling out chapatis for roasting them on a tawa. See the question number 6. What was being cooked for a meal at the Gurudwara kitchen when Divya and Swastik reached there? Answer is when Divya and Swastik reached the Gurudwara kitchen, chapatis, rice, kadha prasad, dal and vegetable was being cooked for a meal. See the question number 7. When was the kadha prasad distributed? Answer is the Kadha Prasad was distributed after Ardas, a prayer offered to the Guru. Now see the next page. Question number 8. Who cooks food for the children in the boarding school? Who serves the food? Answer is a hired cook prepares food for the children in the boarding school and other workers of the kitchen serve it. Now see main 7. Answer the following question. See the question number 1. In what ways is a boarding school different from other school? Answer is boarding school students stay in the school itself. They study there and have their meals also in the school. Boarding school students can go home only on the festival days and vacation, whereas in other school children go there only to study. Once the school time is over, they return to their own homes. Now see the question number 2. Would you like to go to a boarding school? Why? Answer is yes, I would like to go to a boarding school. This is because qualities of discipline, equality, and community living are inculcated and developed properly. Children learn to do their work themselves. One learns to adapt to the facilities available in the boarding school. See the question number 3. Who brings things required for meals to the Gurudwara? Answer is every person helps in one way or the other for meals at the Gurudwara. Some people make arrangements to reach the groceries to the Gurudwara, while some other donate money for the groceries, and yet others help by offering their service. Now see question number 4. What was done at Gurudwara after the meal? Answer is After everyone had eaten their meal, they picked up their own plates and put it in a big drum. The people who served the meal ate in the end. They also cleaned the place and washed the plates and utensils. Now see the next page. See the question number 5. Are there any other occasions when you have eaten with many people? Where and when? Who cooked and served the food there? Answer is last year on the occasions of Saraswati Puja and Independence Day celebration, all the students, teachers, and invited guests had sat together and eaten food. The food had been cooked by the village cook, Parshottam. Members of his staff had served it. On another occasion, when our village gate was built and decorated, the whole village had gathered there and eaten together. Now we will see the next page. See the HOTS question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. See the number 1. What work was Manpreet's mother doing at the Gurudwara? A. Kneading dough. B. Roasting chapatis. C. Rolling chapatis. And D. Serving chapatis. Answer is option C. Rolling chapatis. See the number 2. What is cooking and eating together at the Gurudwara known as? A. Community meal. B. Kadha Prasad. C. Ardas. And D. Langar. Answer is option D. Langar. Langar is cooking and eating together at the Gurudwara known as. Cooking and eating together at the Gurudwara known as the Langar. Now see the number 3. Which vegetable did Divya and Swastik see being cooked at the Gurudwara? A. Potatoes, onions. B. Brinjals potatoes. C. Cauliflower potatoes. And D. Cabbage potatoes. Answer C. Option C. Cauliflower potatoes. Divya and Swastik see being cooked vegetables are cauliflower and potatoes at the Gurudwara. Here your chapter is completed and we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.